Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, we are gonna talk about how we can create a theme in our WordPress website. And so for that, you need to go to the basic setup in style.css file. And a lot of people asked me how to create a theme in initial phase of any website. So for that, you need to go to VS Code editor and open your project, and here you can see WP content. Inside WP content you're gonna see theme folder. Here you have to create a folder. The folder name is your theme name. For example, my theme name is our beautiful theme. This is our theme name. Now inside this we're gonna create a file called style.css. This is very important. When you create a plugin, you need to write the information inside the PHP file, and when you create a theme, you need to put the information inside the style.css file. So first of all, you need to add a comment and close it. The first one is theme name. Theme name is our beautiful theme. Theme URI, if you have any theme URI, for example, if you want to upload this theme anywhere, you can put the download here. So I am not sharing my theme anywhere else, so I am putting it empty. So next one is author. Author is I am putting here my name. You will put your name. Then author URI. Inside author URI, you need to put your profile. For example, it can be GitHub profile, it can be Facebook profile, it can be with a WordPress profile. If you put it empty, it won't matter. So I am putting it empty. Description. You need to put description here. Now my description will be our beautiful WordPress theme, which customized by Sazzad. This is my theme description. And then license. Before license, you need to give the version. When the version is 1.0, then license. It is also optional. You can give or you cannot. License, I'm putting it empty. And then license URI. You can put the license URI here. I'm putting it empty as well. It is optional. Then tags. Tags will be, for example, my tag will be blog post. It can be optional. It is optional. You can put a tag or you cannot. Then the last one is text domain, which is most important. Text domain. Now text domain is our beautiful theme. Our style.css file is basic setup is complete. Now we will create another file here, which is index.php. So our theme basic setup is complete. If it's index.php is empty, it doesn't matter, you will customize this after after activation of the theme. So now we're gonna see our theme has or not. Yeah, our beautiful theme is here in appearance section. Now we're gonna activate it. So this is how you wanna create a theme. This is the basic setup. Now you want to customize a single.php, page.php, index.php file. You want to customize however you want. I hope you guys understand this. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe my channel.